Welcome to Coding Mantra present Coding Mantra AI series. In this video, we will see how to implement the Firebase function. For that, first of all, let's create a project. I am giving this project a name Coding Mantra AI. Now, new Firebase project will be created. After creating project, you can see different product of Firebase, and you can use whatever you wanted to use for this project. For now, we wanted to use Firebase function, and we wanted to upgrade our plan as a paid plan because we wanted to use OpenAI. For that, which we need to call third-party API services, and we want to get a response for that. So that's why we needed to do upgrade to the Blaze plan. So we already upgraded to base plan. Now we wanted to our environment will be not a production. Now we will give that our public facing name to our project. So these are basic settings which you can do for your project. So now I am giving the Coding Mantra as my project name. So you can see it is easily can be done in a Firebase console. So my new project is added. You can check out all other options available there, and you can use multiple service from them, and it is very basic and easy service to use. Now let's try with the Firebase hosting. So we will do with the two things. First of all, we are trying with the Firebase hosting. So for using Firebase hosting, we needed to install that Firebase function, and after installing the Firebase function, we can do that. So for Firebase function, you should have the node already implemented there in your PC. Yeah, so we have already created this project, and let's install Firebase tools. So I already have that, but let's try again. So you can see that you can just do the npm install for Firebase tools. So it is installed there. So now you can check the next. So now we need to log into the Firebase consoles to get our project and init that. So we will do the Firebase init. So we already authenticated. Now after init, you can select your project which you have created, and for now we are going to use functions as well as hosting. So we already have created project that Coding Mantra AI. So I'm using that project. So it's very easy to implement a Firebase function. Just some basic things need to be done, and after that basic things, first of all it will take time, but after that, once it's done, it will be pretty easier to implement. Okay, so for function creation, we will be using TypeScript, and if you can see that all directories are also getting created in our project directory. So we are ready. We just need to define also for hosting. We are using public directory, and we might use single sign and single page application. That's why we are giving yes. For right now, we are not giving that, configuring Git direct auto deploy. So basically they are already have given us option, example option to call Firebase function. So we are just doing the uncomment that, and we are first try with that functions to deploy. So you can do Firebase deploy. Right now we are only deploying the function only. That's why I have used Firebase deploy only functions. So first of all, it will take time. It will enable all the APIs in your project, and all the necessary things need to be done for implementing functions. So we already have a Blaze plan, so we can use that functions to also call third-party services and get a response from that. So let's wait to them to update that. Yeah, so from our console also we can check our Firebase function there. So you can see that all the functions are created. So right now we have created hello world functions. So earlier there was a different mechanism to create view logs. Now it is directly redirecting to the Google Cloud to directly view logs like this. So you can check your logs from there. And for calling that service, you can directly hit that link, whichever. For these are HTTP functions. You can directly call from a browser, also from our. It can be used as an API, so we can have a backend directly ready from there. Yeah, as I said, because it is the first time, that's why it will take time, and after few minutes you will be able to use that function. Yeah, so in the next video we are going to implement OpenAI in our cloud function. So as in this video we have done Firebase normal function implementation. So in the next video we are going to implement our OpenAI into functions. Yeah. Yes. We have done data, and if you can see that our functions are working. Yeah, so let's do that in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please do like and subscribe.